Hi, I'm Ingmar. Welcome to StirfriedGerman, nice to see you. In this episode I'm going to introduce you to the JSR Macro lens for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's start with the chopsticks unboxing.
Hui, ja, jiao, hua.
Don't forget to like if you like the content, it really helps the channel. This lens is really small and fiddly. It sits within the lens opening of the Osmo Pocket. You get a precise fit, but stashing the Osmo Pocket in its case with the lens attached wedges the lens in tight and it makes it hard to remove. In comparison, the Sunny Life ND filters sit on top of the lens housing. Positioning is not as straightforward, but they're way easier to handle. The JSR lens is made of glass with an alloy frame and it's really well held in place on the Osmo Pocket with the 4 magnets. I played around with a lot of different items and the lens works quite well. The focusing range is very short, however, and the gimbal is obviously not designed for this usage, so I ended up putting it on a tripod for some shots of my base while trying out the Osmo Pocket slow motion feature. The resulting footage is unfortunately quite boring, so I added some bass playing. The lens shows excellent sharpness, I didn't notice any chromatic aberrations, and the bokeh is absolutely out of this world. It's so good that you can start dumping all your primes on eBay. This lens really does it all. The JSR Macro lens also provides us with excellent and unexpected corner sharpness. I'm just kidding, it's actually quite well finished. I was trying to get some insect life shots, but even here in Southeast China it's still winter. Luckily one of our roomies got caught under my slipper, as I was trying to quench some thirst in the middle of the night. So thanks to him, may he rest in pieces, I got some footage before he passed away. This is actually my first attempt at macro shot and it does require a really steady hand. Overall I'm really happy with my purchase. I paid about €11 or $12.50 for the JSR Macro lens for the Osmo Pocket, and it has already provided me with tons of playtime. Are you pleased with your new lens? Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. There's an ND filter playtime coming up with the Osmo Pocket.